pagbalik sa face to face na enjoy ra po ko tungod kay katong naka-join ko og kanang mga contest sa kanang mga mass dance atong mga sayaw. So medyo dito ra pod is murag na fulfill ra pod nako akong kuan nga ako ang nagamit akong talent na mga tapos mga intermission pod sa kanang mga kanta-kanta. Medyo mga inana.
So you are into singing also. Unsa nga kanta man dyan? Pa-sample, 4:47 pa man. Unsa nga kanta dyan? Sample lang, sample. Unsa imong gikanta atong time nga nag-intermission ka? Dapit sa College of Arts and Sciences?
I think sa bio man siguro tumama.
Biology nga program. So,
tapos
unsa imong gikanta atong nga
sa
time?
bag-o lang pod sa katong
Recently?
sa
Alumni homecoming?
Dili man sa katong sa amo sa kuan lang sa bio nga mga
Nga event?
graduates, yes.
Oo. Unsa imong gikanta?
She Will Be Loved.
Sige, mag-sample ka dyan. Diba? Napa-instant na hinuon. She Will Be Loved. Pero ka-memorize ka dyan?
Maka-memorize naman.
Ka-memorize ka. O sige, so, wala kay choice. Makanta gya. Instant yun, no? Sige, atong paminahon si John sa iyang She Will Be Loved. This is by Maroon 5, no? Maroon 5. Sige. Wait lang. Hanga naman nga, di man mo play. Ay, wait lang. Hindi siya mo play. Okay. Ay, isa ha. Wait lang. Ako sang Nama kay kuan diha. So, okay ra. Or gusto niyo i-search ang lyrics? Okay ra. Sige. So, so again, She Will Be Loved. Dato paminawon ang sample ni John Vincent Gonzalez.
Beauty queen of only 18, she had some trouble with her son. He was always there to help her. She always belonged to someone else. I drove for miles and miles and walked up at your door. I've had you so many times, but somehow I want more. I don't mind spending every day out in your corner in the pouring rain. Look for the girl with the broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay out, and she will be loved, and she will be loved. Knock on my window, knock on my door. I wanna make you feel beautiful. I know I tend to get so insecure. It doesn't matter anymore. It's not always rainbows and butterflies. It's compromise to move us along. Yeah, my heart is falling, my door's always open. You come anytime you want. Yeah, out of my spending every day out in your corner in the pouring rain. Look for the girl with the broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay out, and she will be loved, and she will be loved, and she will be loved, and she will be loved. I know where you hide, alone in your car. Know all of the things that make you who you are. I know that goodbye means nothing at all. Comes back and begs me to catch her every time she falls. Yeah.
Wow! Grabe, instant to ha? Muna gingon, muna perfect example sa sample. Di ba?
Wala naka-prepare, ma'am.
Nice ka nagtingog dyan. Nga nung wala ta ka nakitaan sa UCC, naka-perform kag UCC?
Kung ano po to, sa bio ra po.
Biology.
IBS
So imo ra yung gi-confine imong talent sa biology department. Sayang, but it's good nga imuhang na showcase diri sa DXME FM kaya ato nang i-share sa whole world ng imuhang talent pinaagi ni atong program.